Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today it's actually my birthday and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Merlin and I document my journey right here on this YouTube channel. Today it's my birthday and I'm so happy, and I actually passed my challenge account. Alright, I passed phase 1 on my birthday. I'm just so happy. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, do well to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that I can get notified whenever I post a video. This alright. I woke up, I did not feel like going to the gym, but I just went to the gym. So I went to the gym, and though I did not stay much, and I went to go get what to eat, and right now I'm at my house. So without wasting much time, I'm just gonna show you guys the trades I took that passed the account. My win rate was so fucking bad, but I still passed the account, and I'm also gonna be sharing with you guys what I learned during this period. Alright, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to wish me a happy birthday. It's my birthday and I'm just so happy. So if you're watching this, do well to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so you get notified. Alright, so let's just move straight to my dashboard so I can share with you guys the trades I took. Right, so here was the first account that I passed the phase 1. You can see 2,700, and this is the phase 2, and I've taken the first trade, which was a loss, but I'm still going to show you that. Let's go to the dashboard of the old account. Alright, so right here you can see I have just 3 days of profitability, like 3 days of constantly hitting take profit back to back. You can see right here 3 days of profitability, and I've taken, I think I've taken about 10 to 12 trades on this account, if not 15 trades. Alright, you can see my weekly profit right here. My weekly profit is 90, and you can see daily profit, which is $50. So I want to show you guys. Alright, so right here you can see net profit. Alright, you can see gross profit, which is the overall profit, how much I've lost when I started this account. And you can see my biggest loss right here is $65, almost $66. And you can see my best profit right here, and you can see profit factor, which is 1.44, which is good. You can see the expectancy, and you can see my average trade size 0.05. Alright, and you can see the average I've holded a trade, which is 4 hours 54 minutes. I'm mostly a swing trader, and you can see my win rate. My win rate right here is 33%, which is not bad. Alright, so let me show you guys the trades I took that made me pass this account. Yesterday I took a trade on gold, and ever since I started picking my trades, I started winning more. Alright, I took a trade. This was the trade that passed this account. I tried adding a position, but it stopped me out, but still went my direction. But this was the initial trade that passed this account right here, that passed this account. So right now let's go back to the phase 2 of this challenge. Alright, you can see the phase 2 right here. You can see the phase 2 right here. Let me load it up. You can see phase 2. I'm currently in a loss of $39, almost $40. That's almost 2%. And as you can see, the trade was on it was on gold. It was on gold. Let me show you. So right here is the trade. Right here is the trade. Right here is the trade that stopped me out. But still, I think I'm expecting gold to at least dump, since the first zone did not hold. I'm expecting it to dump to this point before I'll join the buy. Alright, I also missed a trade that I'm still being pissed off. You can see right here is the trade, almost tapped me in but did not. I picked the extreme POI. If I had picked this POI right here, I would have been on this trade, but I picked the extreme POI right here. You can see if I had picked this POI, I would have been in massive profit, but I picked the extreme POI and I missed this trade. Alright, so this is it, and I've passed phase 1. I'm on phase 2 now. Alright, so that's basically it, and I'm so happy I was able to pass phase 1, and I will still keep up with that same approach since I discovered what made me to keep losing. And now I discovered another thing which I will try to work on very well. I discovered I always pick the wrong POI, but I'm always right with the first the extreme POI, let me say so. But sometimes I pick the wrong POI, and I want to develop the ability of noticing a wrong POI, so I will stop losing more and end up winning more. And you can see my win rate is 33%, but what matters is my risk to reward. Alright, my initial risk to reward is 1:2, and once price get to 1:2, I break even and take partial, and then leave the rest to run till almost 1:5. That was what happened, and that it has been very helpful. Sometimes I hit stop loss of 1%, but the next trade will cover up. Sometimes I hit stop loss of 2%, but the next trade will cover up with profit. So I'm more concerned about my entries and my risk to reward more than my, I would say, my win rate. Alright, I'm not concerned about my win rate, but I'm concerned about my risk to reward. I'm concerned about if I'm risking $1, I should be making $4-5. So that is what I'm concerned about. And so far so good. It has been good, and I want to develop the habit of picking the right POI. Alright, today is my birthday. Do well to wish me a happy birthday in the comment section, and I will really appreciate that. Do well to wish me a happy birthday. And I want to be doing a giveaway, right? Today is Friday. On Sunday I'll be going live, and I will be giving out 2 accounts. Don't worry, I don't have much money, and this is a little way of appreciating you guys. I'm going to be selecting 2 people on my comment section and a random subscriber. I'm going to be giving out 3 accounts or 2 accounts to someone just like me who is struggling to become a profitable trader. And that's just my way of telling you guys thank you. Today is actually my birthday, and I'm so happy. It's just that I don't have money to host that big party and do a lot of stuff that people normally do, but I believe I'm going to be among the biggest traders in Nigeria, and also the biggest streamer in Nigeria also. That's my dream, and this is just a starting point, and the sky will only be my starting point. Alright, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're still struggling as a trader, don't give up. Now what you need to do is refine your edge, look for what is working and do more of what is working and less of what is not working. You might not always get it right all the time, but once you figure out what is working for you, make sure you keep doing it, refining it to be good at it and be good at what you do. That's the only thing. I've already told you guys this year is going to be a prosperous year, but for only those who are ready to put in the work. Like for me, I'm ready to put in the work 100%. Alright, you can see where I'm staying. I'm staying is nice. I have a keyboard. You can see my Dell right there. That's my PC. That is where I'm staying. This is where I'm staying right now, and I'm not where I used to go before. Before I used to be working at a site and I was earning just 2,000. Don't worry, I will still share my story with you guys, but for now, do well to wish me a happy birthday, and I'll really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this video, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, do well to hit that subscribe button. Thank you, and I really appreciate you guys. I'm not taking you guys for granted. You guys have been amazing to me, and I love it. Alright, so this is just the new year of a new start. Alright, the new year of a new beginning, a new wins, more TPs, more knowledge, and we believe in God. We put God first in everything we are doing. So if you are a trader, don't give up. Put in the grind, especially if you're just starting out trading in 2026. Don't give up. The road is tough actually, but only the strong men can overcome. Be one of them. Be one of them. Forget about your influencers. Forget about those gurus. Just focus on your grind. Focus on yourself. Believe in God. That's all. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I've not really done a proper proper vlog, but hopefully I'll start doing it, and also I'll start teaching also what I've learned, and I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't take much to do that. Just hit that subscribe button, and please do it to like this video, comment, share. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. My name is MerlinFxng.